video what we're doing basically.
Right.
Yeah. Come here. You come in.
I'm gonna undo this and I'll take the camera, I'll just go in there and say this is where it's going.
Right.
He's just saying that he's on the go.
Well, what would I ask?
Yeah, yeah.
No idea.
Yeah, yeah. No, you're right. We call it Lucy. Yeah. It is Lucia. We say it wrong, sure. You're saying the name should be said. Yeah, because it's Italian. She's got Italian. No, he doesn't want to be at the front. Oh, yeah, okay, yeah.
Right, so obviously we don't want the glass to touch any metal, so we want it to go on here. What we're going to do is we're going to slide it out, and then once it's out about this much, I've got some wheels that can stick on the bottom, and someone will hold on to the wheels. We've got two big handles, and then you drag it out, and then we've got enough space on this side, get the wheels on this side, and then we'll just drop it down the wheels, just take it, it's dead easy.
What's the heaviest part of the project? What's the
Go on.
hardest bit?
Go on.
Who's going to take the most brunt of it? Is it equal?
It just changes as the glass moves, so.
No way to get out.
If it wasn't glass, it wouldn't do that. Yeah.
So these peaks, these
Oh,
go
okay, yeah.
on the glass,
Yeah.
you just clamp on there like that. So what we'll do, leave that to one side, and then I'll get some suction holders on it first, and then once it's hanging over this one, whack a wheel on, and then kind of pivot that down there, get the wheel on here, and then we're good to go. If we can't get a wheel on there, I might just get another block of wood, step it on the floor, and then we'll put the wheel on.
Okay.
I'll make it clear what we can.
Yeah, that's fine, yeah.
Well, mate, just do the filming and you do that, so.
This is a cheap window installation option.
Well, you're fine.
These vacuum suction holders, that creates a vacuum, that releases it. If you see that red line, the sharp stop, that means the vacuum's failing.
Oh, okay, we'll see.
Yeah. You don't
holes there. Could have put a little like on the inside.
Okay, so what we want is one person in the middle here, stopping the glass coming this way.
Okay.
Once we've got this strap there as well, so
Yeah.
one person at this end just pushing,
Yeah.
and then I'll be at the front because that's where the dangerous bit is.
Right, okay.
Just watching that. I sprayed with my hand a while ago.
Is that kind of
So I can be a bit useful. Yeah, it was kind of useful. It wasn't as big as this here.
Yeah, that's fine. You're using it as a We're all going to sprain wrists by the end of it. As long as it's not
I'm just going to stand it up like this and then push it forward. Yeah. I have to get around so you can actually see what we're doing. Like over there where it's actually going.
Oh, yeah.
Right, so I just slide it, not lifting it, just slide it. Now, just over there. Alright, so push it out a little bit further. Yeah. Alright, hold it there. Right, so we'll just go further down. Right, hold it there. Now,
Are you doing that front?
strong man, get in there. No, you go in the middle, get both sides of that. And you hold both of them handles now. Yeah. Now, as they're pushing it out, yeah, hold them two, and then you're just going to slowly drop it down on the floor. So we're just going to slide it.
Yeah.
Right, a bit more. Right, now down. It should just rest on that block of wood there.
Okay.
And then, yeah, you're just going down now slowly. Yeah, keep going down. Keep going down.
You down?
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Well, just get on the neck instead. Yeah, so you're going inside. Slowly there. Slowly, we get another block of wood.
It's that side. You've not had the leverage. We've had the leverage.
You're going to go on this side.
This side.
So what we're going to do, we're going to get another suction over here, and then we're going to get it all down and rest it on here.
Okay.
So this is a bit where it gets a bit dangerous.
Right.
So,
I've got some smaller bits in the garage if you need them.
it'll be alright as long as we've got that, because we've got loads of people. So.
Yeah.
And all to the top and now we're get another suction over there.
Yeah. I'll grab his hand on him, sir.
Too sweaty?
Him.
No, but it's just, it's
We're not that bothered.
Just the thought of it. So.
We're not that bothered, but he's straight thinking about it if we drop it.
Yeah. Okay, I'll get another suction over there so you can be on the other side, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so you grab that one, I'll get this one, and then we're just going to lower it onto that down there. So once we've got the end of it here,
Yeah, get the
you
end
jump
there,
down.
I'll step down, yeah.
So just slide it until I say stop. Alright, stop there. Yeah. 3, 2, 1, right, slide it down more. Right, now we'll lower it.
It is perfect.
Definitely is. Yeah, easy.
Just on the shoulder. So we're going to have to lift that.
Yeah, so if you can just lift it, just this side, yeah. Okay. And now we're going to have to slide it that way. That's enough. Yeah. Right, now lift this side and off. Right, move your foot. You okay?
Yep.
Okay, I just need to push it a bit further that way.
Yeah.
Then just lift it. Yeah, I'm just going to slide towards us, put me on. Right, that's it, done. Okay, so now you can let go, it won't fall over.
Very good.
Right, so you just slide it, and then you just lift one wheel and pivot and turn it.
Right.
So once you need to turn it, you stop, and then you grab either end of the yellow wheels, face it where you want it to go. So the front one's now just to pick it up between you both. Just start it on there. And then just turn it.
Oh, I see,
yeah, and then we can pick up the back ones now. So if you just hold there.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, 3, 2, 1. Right. Now get forward. You're forward the wheels, it's a lot harder than this.
Yeah.
Right, so if you want to pivot yours round to the front, just face the pond. A bit more. Yeah. What is it? Okay, right, so if we just hold the pivot the back bit. Right, someone just hold it there for a moment.
Yeah.
Right, James, your glass, so you can choose how we do it.
This is the easy.
Is that permanent? That?
Yeah.
Oh, it is, okay. Well,
Yeah, that's going to be
okay.
inside. And then
Alright, well what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to have a couple of people inside,
Yeah.
2 people outside, and,
I'll do
and we'll just have to put it in like this.
oh,
Yeah, it's nothing at the front. So we're going to have to bring it in like this. Because the walls, we've not got much wiggle room here.
yeah.
We're going to have to,
Come in
we're going to have to come in like this,
Yeah.
straighten up, and then just slowly.
Yeah.
We put the bottom on first,
Yeah.
and then we do this.
Okay.
So I'll go and crack the ceiling open and get all the
Yeah.
stuff around the side. Keep going.
It does take across the road though, you think it'd be easy.
We're ready to get the glasses now.
Oh, you won't have it, no?
Weird, isn't it?
No,
No, I only asked him, I thought we bothered.
I've been very tempted to
Take all these little sticker things off.
Right.
Look at them, what's annoying me, it's like this is here. It's the line.
So I need the strongest person here.
I haven't had an operation, so
Yeah, that's fine.
I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it.
No, you're alright, honestly.
It's the line, you've done the right thing, like so I'm gonna, I've got my dad's ladder, I'm gonna get my dad's ladder and wash it.
You haven't done it before?
No, it's gonna be that much. Now I've seen it, it's annoying.
Yeah, it's one of the things.
You know what I mean? Once you see it, what do you have? And the funny thing is, you've got to right right? I can see it on that picture, it's picking up. It's still on it.
It's still quite light.
From that window, you look at it.
Oh, yeah. I think once it's happened.
No, they've done, I think they have some work done on the roof at the top. I reckon they've climbed up to it.
Do you want to be on the inside?
Doesn't bother me. Doesn't bother me.
That'll give you a little buffer there.
Yeah. Sound.
Right, so what we're going to do then, who else is going to go inside?
But do you want me to go in?
Yeah,
whoever
if you're
wants
happy
to.
with that, yeah.
There is sealant on there.
Is that-
People always go like this,
Can I stand on
and then they get sealant
You
all
can
over
stand on
them.
that, yeah.
So obviously the sealant there,
Yeah.
so just, they'll be on your hands for about 3 weeks if you
How are we getting out?
bring it. Climb over the side. Easy.
I've got some steps, I'll get some steps together.
Yeah. So what we're going to do, we're going to wheel it forward, and then we'll lift it off the wheels onto that piece of wood over there.
Yeah.
And then we're going to slide it in, and then same on this side, so there's a block of wood over here.
Yes, yeah, it's a wood effect.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So we're going to step it on there, we're going to take the wheel off,
Yeah.
step it on there, and then we're going to slide it in,
Yeah.
and then we're going to gauge it. It might have to go quite far that way.
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
so.
And
And then whoever's over here on the outside says it's clear that I can get it in. And then you're like, because the glass will be here, you'll be able to tell that you
Yeah.
can
I
swing
guess
it in.
we've got to bring it all the way in without touching the seal.
Yes.
We bring it all the way in, and then we
we're
flatten
gonna
it,
put down here.
and then
Yeah.
we put it at the bottom, and then
Yeah.
slowly do that. 'Cause if we do all like this, we might miss the bottom.
Yeah.
So you need to make sure it's on the bottom before you
That's fine.
do anything else. So
Right.
we'll start with wheeling it over here.
Oh, you've got the life in here already.
Oh, yeah.
You just have to lift that and just, that's it. So what we'll do, we'll lift the actual glass just so when it falls, it goes on there, right? And now we'll lift it higher. So if you can lift lift it up with me. Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
And then down again.
And then down on the wood. Keep the safe one.
No, you have to tilt that one out, aren't you?
No, right, only one person speaks.
Oh no.
Yeah, because otherwise that's when the glass smashes. But that's fine if you want to take over. Yeah, right. So what we're going to do, we're going to slide that a bit further that way. Yeah, hold it there. And now we can gauge that we need it in quite a bit. So I think both of you will need to be over there.
Yeah.
So I'll move this suction over. Like that, and then you two can hold it.
Here, yeah.
What you need to be careful of is the glass doing that.
Right.
Tilt them.
Yeah, the top of it, swing it.
So we keep it straight.
Yeah, try your best. Keep your hand on the top,
Yeah.
if you can, and hold it. So we're going to step it on that smaller bit of wood now. So just slide it forward. You step on the smaller bit of wood. Wait. Okay, so yeah, it's going to need to come quite far, quite a bit more. That
Yeah,
way,
I'll be back here.
Yeah, you reckon? Should we get a block of wood on that?
We can do, yeah.
Yeah. Will that be able to take the weight of it?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah.
It's got a
Block on it.
Yeah.
concrete block underneath.
Okay. So we've got a bit of timber we can put on that.
If you're in the garage, just timber line all over the place. on the left, behind the big coffin box. It's not a coffin. It's just a wooden box.
Coffee. He's just preparing himself for the
Yeah.
future.
Alright, put them on that thing in the middle.
Done them like single or double?
Just on the road, like one each. And then,
Okay,
yeah,
right.
put that on.
Even better.
And then we can just move that forward when we lift that next. But what I think we're best off doing is getting the whole piece of glass in if we can.
Yeah.
Right, and then put it on there.
And then we can,
I mean, we
'cause
can stand it on that.
that'll be an obstacle that we just kind of lift it up with.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, so we just need a few bits of blocks of wood on the floor.
Yeah.
So we're going to need to, it's going to be a bit of a pain in the arse, isn't it? Because you don't want to lift it up and over, because I don't think we're going to be strong enough.
No, don't lift it up and over.
Right, I reckon, I'll just use my measuring tool. I reckon we'll have enough if we go close to that wall.
Okay.
So someone's going to have to hold a bit of wood here just to protect that wall, I think.
I'll do that.
On the glass.
So when you get close to the wall,
Right.
if you can just have that, stick that there just to make sure it's not going to be a problem. So we'll just slide it, keeping it on the wheels for now, because that will keep it
Okay.
from falling too. But one sec, actually, that block of wood down there, that exposed bit there needs to be.
This bit here.
That needs to what? This bit.
No,
No.
it needs to be on the edge, unlike this one.
Yeah, it's exposed, so we want that to be good. If you two can just lift it, I'll slide this bit of wood over. Okay?
Now better.
Yeah, that's better. Then when we're pushing it in, it won't be a problem.
Right.
So just slide it further towards you.
Yeah.
Right, I reckon that'll swing in now. What do you think?
There's plenty of room
Yeah,
here.
well, plenty of room there, good.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll go with that
I'll get the
then.
edge between that.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, don't do that.
Not the wisest choice, that.
Alright then.
What we're going to do is we're going to lift
Slide
this
down.
and then just take the wheels out.
Do you want me on
Yeah,
this
so-
side, so you know?
No, you stay over there, because we'll quite quickly, so if you can help me lift it and you can take the wheels out. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I'm just going to tilt it that way. Just watch your arm in the ceiling.
Yeah.
And
Ceiling
so
something.
we're just going to tilt it around this way.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if we've got enough, we just need to go a bit further towards you. Yeah, right. I'm going to go inside, you can be on the outside. I'm just going to see it on myself.
I got my leg.
Oh, really? Right, so now that sleeper, if you can move that,
That can go around.
yeah, and if you just lift that, I'll just kick this forward. So if you just lift your side a bit. Okay, so now, I'm up there, I'll never put them on. Yeah. Right, so you can just help me lift it, we'll just bring it closer to me, yeah?
Hang on, hold on.
Hold on, we're getting close to the wall here.
We need
Okay.
to, I need to move these suction.
Okay, yeah, move the suction, we'll start it this way, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, right, what we're going to do, we're just going to lift it at the same time.
Yeah.
We're going to get our corner in,
Alright,
and we're going to say our corner's in, and then you're going to get your corner in,
okay.
and then we'll both say it's in, then we slowly push it up like that, yeah?
Okay.
You all ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go for it. 3, 2, 1. Right, our bottom corner is in.
Okay.
Is yours in?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sure?
Well, I can go forward a bit more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it in?
Yeah.
Right, now just push the top in. Right,
The bottom corner could go in.
and now if you put the suction holder on the bottom, so if you move this down here,
Yeah.
so on the outside, if
Oh,
you
right,
take yours off, put it at the bottom, then you can pull that way, and that will get it more sort of dug in.
Oh, so you can, yeah. So pull it
Yeah,
towards it.
so if you pull it out that way, it'll just give it a better seal, give it a good suck. Give it a really good suck.
Yeah, that seems to be good.
Yeah, that's pretty much the window install. We'll just go around it. It would be the sealant now.
Yes.
On the outside. If you've got clamps, you'll put on the top.
Yeah, we've got
Pull it
those.
on.
We can just put on the top just to hold it together. Yeah.
Look at that, big window. You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, there's a bit of sealant on that.
Oh yeah, there's a little bit of sealant on the top of it.
It'll be alright. Use I've seen better days, use that.
Yeah, we just need to get some new handles for them, that's all.
You alright?
I'm just seeing what it's like to be a fish.
Alright. Alright, so just go around the outside with it.
Yeah.
Get the screw level stick on the top actually, see how good your block work was.
That's fine, that's perfect.
Is it fine, yeah? You're going to check it when we're going?
Just for mine.
No, for curiosity we can grab the level as well.
He's gone to get one.
Right, you want some steps to get out?
I can probably
If you go upstairs,
I can probably
in this back bedroom, there should be an orange set of step ladders in there.
Is there not a chair or something? Put a chair in, step up.
If that was a bit closer, it'd be really good. I can probably get out and just calm down. That's you're showing your youth there, you see. I made it. He's got to get the steps now, don't we?
Well, we can get them from
Going in and out.
our technician here.
There's no squidge there, there's much up there, so.
It has squeaks. If you look at it from the inside, you can see. If you come around the side here, just where the window is, that thing. That'll sit sort of just there.
I think you got a lot of water going in.
Right, yeah. The top and jump it out. They shouldn't do that.
Unless they're old. You got a little leg. I said,
I'm like a shark.
I said some of them.
You can get fish called sturgeon, which look a bit like a shark.
Yeah, I think it's called.